Fleet safety requires leadership and should be a top priority for every fleet. You can improve your fleet safety with advanced fleet management from Verizon Connect. Fleets using an advanced platform like Verizon Connect report an average reduction of 19% in collision-related costs. You get the visibility and analytics you need to reduce risky driver behaviors, simplify compliance, and help keep your vehicles in top-running condition. Plus, Verizon Connect now offers AI-powered operational insights to highlight trends and hidden patterns in your data that save you time and money. Operational Insights proactively surfaces insights that let you focus on what's most important about your fleet safety, so you can start acting on insights with data-driven decisions right away. Here are some of the ways Verizon Connect helps you coach safer driving. First, it tracks high-risk driver behaviors, such as hard braking, hard acceleration, harsh cornering, and sudden force. Your safety report lets you review driver behavior such as hard braking and cornering, while your compliance reports let you view driver logs, hours of service violations, and vehicle inspection reports. You can take your coaching workflows to an even higher level with available AI-powered dashcams that track and alert drivers in real time when they detect risky events, with both road-facing cameras and driver-facing cameras that detect potentially unsafe behaviors. These alerts don't just get drivers' attention, they also help you identify areas of improvement for coaching, with video clips that Verizon Connect automatically analyzes and prioritizes, so you don't have to search for hours of video to find the clips you need. You can also add an extended view camera to get near 360-degree visibility to mitigate risk and help drivers reach new levels of performance. Another way Verizon Connect enables improved fleet safety is by helping you keep your vehicles in top-running condition. Well-maintained vehicles are less likely to have unexpected problems that can compromise safe operation, so consistent compliance and maintenance are essential. Verizon Connect streamlines compliance and maintenance with digital DVIR, service plan alerts, and vehicle maintenance reports. You can also utilize our API to build integrations with third-party maintenance software. Verizon Connect DVIR is a complete solution that lets drivers fill out driver vehicle inspection reports on their smartphones pre- or post-trip, helping you build a culture of safety. Verizon Connect also lets you customize service plans to issue alerts for every type of service and vehicle in your fleet, so reminders automatically go to drivers, technicians, and you when scheduled maintenance is approaching. And vehicle maintenance reports show all the scheduled and/or completed services for a specific vehicle over a specified period of time. These service plans and vehicle maintenance reports help make preventive maintenance easier and more efficient, so you'll have the peace of mind of knowing that every vehicle in your fleet is in top-running condition. And speaking of peace of mind, you can also add 24/7 emergency roadside assistance to protect drivers and vehicles if the unexpected happens. Verizon Connect DVIR, service plans, and vehicle maintenance reports streamline compliance and maintenance to avoid unexpected breakdowns, catch issues before they become problems, and help reduce collisions, costly roadside fines, and customer delays. When you combine streamlined maintenance with the intelligent driver behavior insights of the Verizon Connect platform and AI Dashcam, you'll have the tools you need to drive to a safer tomorrow.